Blues Band. Remember those songs that the other stations forgot? The Rock 93.7 FM, 1510 AM. 723, Jack Radio Reagan back with the coach this morning. And I'll tell you a couple of things we need to talk about. Cheyenne Frontier Days coming up this weekend.
Yeah.
The daddy of them all, they got Alabama out there and Aerosmith.
Yeah, they've got a lot of people. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good.
They got Boss Gags in town tonight.
Miranda Lampert's out there.
Yes, what a
lineup. Husband.
But tonight, Boss Gags, Botanic Gardens.
Yeah,
got that lowdown song. Cool. We can play that in just a little bit.
You know, I've never been to Botanic Gardens for a concert. What do they got over there?
It's beautiful.
Inside, outside? Must be outside.
Outside, in the flowers and gardens.
You have seats, or you got to sit on the grass?
You sit on the grass. Smoke the grass, sit on the grass, mow the grass. Anything you want to do with the grass.
Too old for sitting on the grass.
Bring a blanket. Bring your baby blanket.
I got to have a chair. I'm not going.
Hey, what song puts you in the mood? We still have time for a few of them. We've had a, what kind of mood? You call the plays here. We'll take the calls. 303-987-0937. We just played one, Saving All My Love for You by Whitney Houston just a few minutes ago.
Yeah. That's a good one. That's a nice one.
We got Bronco training camp coming up, and that is the 31st of July. Can you believe that? The 31st? That's less than 3 weeks away.
Speaking of Bronco football. We got Shannon out here. He's on the phone.
Shannon not too sharp coming in.
Got to play his sports music or he won't come in.
All right. Hit the button. You got the button.
Come on in. Thank you. Okay, boys, here I am. Hey, by the way, any calls come through for me yet from CBS, ESPN,
not yet.
NBC? Nobody?
No.
Sorry. I can't believe
the way it goes. A couple of bill collectors. That's about it.
Won't it be crazy if I'm stuck with you two guys all through the Bronco season? It's insane.
Yeah.
But what do? I just do my best and try. So you guys, what were you talking about? Getting the
songs that put you in the mood, like Marvin Gaye. Let's get it on.
I tell you, a great song for getting you in the mood was "Rock and Roll Part 2" by Gary Glitter.
That got you in the mood.
The Broncos. We would get so excited with that song. We want to score touchdowns every 5 seconds.
Oh, I know.
It was a great time.
You love it.
By the way, now I told you guys that I thought for sure that I had inside information that Demaryius Thomas would sign his contract by tomorrow. That's right. The deadline's tomorrow.
Right.
Okay, I still think it's going to happen. I still believe it's going to happen.
Inside track there.
Got the inside track for you.
We're talking to John Elway.
Here's the key to it. His mother got let out of prison by Barack Obama. So you know what his mother's going to say when he said,
"What?
Well, Mom, they only give me $9 more million a year. Should I take $9 more million a year?" She's going to say, "You're going to take that. I'm going to whip you up, boy."
All right.
Yeah, you're going to take it.
John Elway's birthday was just the other day. Did you get him a gift or no?
I did not. I gave him a call. He didn't answer the phone. He's too busy.
That's what's happening. Yeah, he is a busy guy. All right.
By the way, a couple of the other Broncos got chips on their shoulders because they didn't get voted into that top 100 players. Peyton Manning's number 5.
Yeah.
There's about 6, 7 Broncos in there, but Chris Harris, T.J. Ward, and Aqib Talib did not get in, and they're going to play tough this season because they are rocked that they were not picked by their peers to be in the top 100.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to let you know that. Hey, only 2 weeks.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
2 weeks, you guys, from training camp. Are you excited?
Yes, of course we are. Yeah.
Baseball's okay, but come on, give me some football.
High, the attitude, the altitude, we're all in.
Yeah, when I watched that home run thing last night, that was kind of boring, but what the heck? I did it. Rockies won 4 in a row. Who cares? I'm still a baseball fan, but I'd like to see him play a lot better.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll keep on the scoop. I'm watching everything with Demaryius Thomas. I want to see him get in camp. It's very important.
Okay. Nothing else on the All-Star game tonight?
All-Star games tonight. Everybody, big-time players are going to be there. I'm going to watch it. I like baseball, especially the All-Star games, see all the big stars. They wanted me to play, but I said I got to do the show with Jack and the coach.
All right. And how about Pete Rose? Will Pete Rose get in the Hall of Fame?
I'm in the Hall of Fame. Of course, you know that. I'm a Bronco Hall of Famer.
Right.
I don't think Pete Rose should get in the Hall of Fame for gambling. That's all it is. He broke the rules.
All right. So you're going for the Hall of Shame versus the Fame.
You guys should not get in the Radio Hall of Fame because you guys broke the rules.
What
we do wrong? I'm just making it up.
Just being here. Yeah, sure. 727.
Elmore here.